So when I said the tilde represent the home directory, all I'm saying is that once I click on this thing, all the stuff I see here, so all the stuff I see here, I should be able to see them here in the command prompt. So what I'm trying to do or say is that assuming this is the home directory, under that I should have desktop, I should have documents, I should have downloads, and I should have music. All these things will be found under the home. And this is exactly what we have here. So once we go into our command prompt and we have a look, you'll notice that we would have exactly what we have here, but in command prompt. I just want to do a quick one on that particular thing, and then we move on. So if I decide to go to my terminal, and I'm saying that I'm in the home directory. So basically this is telling me that I'm in home. And in order for me to see that folders that I just showed you, I just have to do an ls, which is just saying list it. So if you can see, earlier on I said in the home, if I go here, you see that we have desktop. Let me just try and list all the stuff we have on there. So we have desktop, we have documents, we have downloads, we have music, we have pictures, public, and the likes, and videos. Yeah. So if I go back to my terminal, you could see that, let me clear my screen again. If I do an ls, it's showing me documents, which is there, checked. It's showing me downloads, which is here, checked. It's showing me music, which is here, checked. It's showing me pictures, which is here, checked. It's showing me public, which is there, checked. It's showing me all these other things that we saw, which is there, checked. It's showing me this one, which is there, checked. And the reason why you're not seeing the desktop is that the desktop is the desktop and it's GUI. And normally, if there's something, you will see. If there's nothing, you wouldn't see it. So clearly, this is more like we are in some level of abstraction. So this is what we have here. Now, another thing that you have to notice here, or you have to pay attention to, is this thing, the color of the writings. So in, say, Ubuntu, it will give you an indication whether or not that particular thing that you're dealing with is a file or it's a directory, so meaning it's a folder. And so you realize that all these ones are in the same color. If I later on we create a file, you see that the color of this and the file will be different. It's going to show you, it's going to give you a distinction between what a file is and what a folder or a directory is.